Meet the modern 30-something. He has a stable corporate job, a decent apartment, and a perfectly reliable daily car. But every single night, instead of sleeping, he's endlessly scrolling through classified ads for 25-year-old cars. He is obsessively looking at 90s Japanese sports cars or classic European coupes that probably smell like old oil. His co-workers think he's crazy. Why buy an unreliable, outdated machine when you can afford a modern, quiet hybrid? But to the wolf, this makes perfect sense. This is not a financial transaction. It's a psychological rescue mission. When a millennial drains his savings for a dream car, it's not transportation. He is buying a time machine, a physical ticket back to a simpler era. Let's look at the late 90s, the golden era of analog media and racing games. This was a time of tuning magazines and bedroom walls covered in car posters. These cars were the ultimate symbols of freedom, success, and pure adrenaline for them. Psychologists call this nostalgia consumption, purchasing items to evoke a powerful, idealized past. Why now? Because adulthood is fundamentally disappointing. Endless emails, taxes, and daily stress. Millennials finally have disposable income, but they feel completely trapped by corporate reality. The ultimate antidote to modern depression is raw, mechanical nostalgia. Buying that old sports car is keeping a sacred promise to their younger selves. It is a psychological bridge connecting the stressed adult with the passionate kid. There is another crucial layer, the absolute rejection of modern digital sterility. Modern cars are just computers on wheels, quiet, insulated, and controlled by hidden software. You don't drive a new car, you simply operate a smart appliance. A 90s dream car is the opposite. It's loud, vibrating, and smells like gasoline. The pure joy of a manual transmission. Shifting gears on an open, traffic-free road. It demands physical attention. No touchscreens, just you, a steering wheel, and a mechanical throttle. This provides a profound sense of grounding. In a virtual world, an old engine is real. Driving it requires skill and presence. It forces the driver out of their anxious mind. This is exactly why mechanical breakdowns are a subconscious part of the appeal. Repairing a broken machine provides a tangible problem with a clear, tangible solution. It satisfies the human need for competence. You can't fix the economy, but you can fix a leak. Let's look deeper into status. The psychology of status has shifted for this generation. Buying a brand new luxury SUV doesn't make you unique anymore. It just blends in. It simply signals that you signed a massive, soul-crushing bank loan. But driving a restored 1990s Japanese legend commands a completely different kind of respect. It signals taste and dedication. It tells the world you are an absolute connoisseur. The owner of a childhood dream car is opting out of the modern rat race. They don't care about having the newest technology. They preserve mechanical history. It is the ultimate flex, proving you never let go of what made you happy. Then there is the powerful element of community, crucial for a very lonely generation. The modern world has engineered isolation, but a nostalgic car instantly grants a tribe. You gain a brotherhood of forums, local meets, and shared mechanical struggles. It perfectly satisfies Maslow's psychological need for belonging. You are part of the culture. There's a shared obsession with finding discontinued parts and debating exact 30-year-old specifications. This obsession creates a barrier against the emptiness of modern life. It gives purpose. Logically, pouring savings into an impractical vehicle is completely irrational. But humans are not spreadsheets. We are emotional creatures driven by memories and autonomy. A modern car gets you from point A to point B. A childhood dream car transports your entire soul. It's a daily physical reminder. A reminder that you survived growing up and now have power to fulfill desires. Gripping that steering wheel makes the anxiety of the present momentarily fade away. They are no longer a stressed adult. They are the kid who just won the race. They are buying back their youth, one expensive, discontinued car part at a time. Frankly, restoring an old dream car is much cheaper than years of therapy. A therapist helps talk about your past. A project car lets you physically drive there. It requires patience, blood, and sweat. But the psychological reward of mastery is unmatched. It is an act of defiance against a culture demanding we buy disposable things. They refuse to consume and discard. They choose to restore and preserve. They find deep psychological beauty in the analog imperfections of these machines. Next time you see a loud 1990s car, do not judge the driver. Do not think they are wasting money or trapped in a midlife crisis. Look closer. You are witnessing someone keeping the most important promise to themselves. You are witnessing a masterclass in psychological fulfillment. They bought their freedom. This obsession reveals a profound truth about human behavior and modern survival. We all desperately seek control over our daily lives. We all desire a tangible connection to the happier moments of our past. We all need a mechanical escape from the relentless digital noise. The car enthusiast isn't crazy. They just found a louder way to heal. They heal their inner child with the roar of a classic engine. It is a fabricated family built entirely on a foundation of gasoline and grease. The garage becomes a sanctuary, a place where the outside world cannot reach them. When the garage door closes, the endless corporate anxiety is finally locked outside. Every turned wrench is a small, quiet victory against the chaos of adulthood. The smell of old oil is a powerful trigger, bypassing logic to reach pure emotion. This is sunk cost fallacy, defeated by passion. The financial loss means nothing. They're investing in their own mental health, protected by a steel roll cage. That car isn't just a mode of transportation. It is a psychological armor. It is a time machine, a statement of identity, and a middle finger to conformity. Society expects them to buy a sensible crossover. They chose a noisy legend. They chose the difficult, dirty, fulfilling path of the true automotive connoisseur. If you want to decode the hidden psychology behind everyday human obsessions, don't just follow the mindless herd into the future. Look under the hood. We are Lupin Logic. We analyze the drivers, not just the cars they drive. Subscribe to join the pack and never stop chasing your own lost dreams.